Did you know that right now, sitting in your driveway, your car has at least a dozen features that could save you hundreds or even thousands in repairs this year alone? But here's the real kicker. Most drivers never use them because no one ever showed them how. Today, I'm breaking down the 15 secret car features almost no one knows exist. Stick around to the end. The number one could literally help you spot danger before your headlights do. Let's get into it. Secret number 15. Breathe fresh air with the help of a button. Most people think this button is just for cooling the car down faster, but as an automotive expert, I call this the internal filtration shield. If you're behind a soot-belching dump truck or driving through a dusty construction zone, your car is inhaling those particulates directly into your lungs. When you engage the recirculation button, the one with the U-turn arrow, you aren't just moving air, you are sealing the cabin. Mechanically, this closes the fresh air intake flap. In extreme heat, this is a lifesaver for your hardware. Instead of your AC compressor struggling to drop 100 degrees Fahrenheit outside air down to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, it's cooling air that's already been chilled. This reduces the duty cycle of your AC compressor, potentially adding years to its lifespan and saving you a $1,200 replacement bill. Plus, it keeps your cabin air filter from getting prematurely choked with road grime. Use it wisely and your lungs and your wallet will thank you. Secret number 14. Key fob brain hack. This sounds like a tinfoil hat conspiracy, but it's pure physics. We've all been there, wandering a massive parking lot, clicking your fob, and getting nothing. Here is the pro tip. Hold the fob firmly against your chin or the side of your temple, and open your mouth slightly. Your head acts as a parabolic resonator. Because your brain is approximately 80% water, it acts as a conductor that shapes and amplifies the electromagnetic signal from the fob. I've personally tested this to extend a fob's range by over 50 feet. Also, check the bottom of your fob right now. Most have a tiny slide release that hides a physical emergency key. If your fob battery dies or your car battery is flat, that hidden blade is the only way you're getting inside without breaking a window. Secret number 13. Color-coded engine components. Pop your hood. If you see bright yellow, blue, or green, the engineers are literally talking to you. This is the consumer touchpoint system. In the world of car care, color coding is a safety protocol. Anything highlighted in a bright color is a fluid or checkpoint that is safe for a non-mechanic to handle. Yellow usually signifies oil or fuel points. Blue is almost universally your washer fluid. If a cap is black, gray, or bolted down with specialized torque spits, that is the stay out zone. Messing with a non-colored component like cracking a pressurized cooling line or an ABS module can result in third-degree burns or a bricked ECU. Knowing this secret code gives you the confidence to maintain your own vehicle without the fear of breaking something expensive. Secret number 12. Fuel cap holder. This is my biggest pet peeve. I see people letting their gas caps dangle against their rear quarter panel every single day. Look at the inside of your fuel door. You'll see a small plastic cradle or hook. Use it. Leaving that cap to hang doesn't just scratch your clear coat, which costs about $500 to buff and repaint. It's a massive contamination risk. The seal on your gas cap collects road salt, grit, and moisture. When that cap dangles, it picks up dirt that then goes directly into your filler neck the next time you tighten it. That grit heads straight for your fuel pump strainer and injectors. Clog injectors can cost upwards of $2,000 to $3,000 to replace. All of that just because you didn't use the free plastic hook provided by the manufacturer. Secret number 11. Emergency shift lock release. This secret is the difference between a 5-minute fix and a $200 tow charge. If your car loses all electrical power, your automatic transmission is locked in park. You can't even push it out of the way of traffic. Look next to your gear shifter for a tiny square plastic tab. If you pop that off with your emergency key from secret number 14 and press the button inside, it manually overrides the solenoid. You can now shift into neutral without a battery. I've seen people panic and try to force the shifter, snapping the linkage, a $1,500 mistake. Know your shift lock location. It makes you the smartest person on the road during a breakdown.
Secret number 10. Road condition indicators. That amber snowflake on your dash isn't a suggestion. It's a warning based on the black ice threshold. Most cars trigger this light at 37 degrees Fahrenheit, not 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Why? Because bridge decks and overpasses freeze faster than the ground. Modern cars use external ambient temperature sensors located behind the front bumper. If that light flashes, your car's traction control system often enters a pre-alert mode, ready to intervene faster. Ignoring this light is how 150,000 people end up in winter-related ditches every year. When the car talks, listen. Secret number 9, anti-glare rear view features. Flip that tab under your rear view mirror at night when high beams blind you. It angles the mirror so bright light reflects up to the roof instead of your eyes. Simple prism physics that's been saving night vision for decades. Newer auto-dimming versions use electrochromic gel in sensors to darken automatically, no flip needed. Huge for older drivers or anyone sensitive to glare. Ever get flashed so bad you had to pull over? Secret number 8, hidden storage compartments. Manufacturers love secret spots. Jeep Grand Cherokee has underfloor panels thieves miss. Honda Odysseys and some Toyotas hide spots in armrests or under seats. VW Golfs stash underfloor trays, and some trucks have cooled dash boxes. Grab a flashlight this weekend and hunt. Previous owners sometimes leave surprises. Found anything cool in yours? Secret number 7, remote window controls. This is the ultimate cool factor secret. If you've ever walked up to a car that's been sitting in the 100-degree sun, you know it feels like an oven. On many vehicles from VAG, Honda, and Ford, you can hold the unlock button on your fob for 5 seconds, and all 4 windows and the sunroof will drop simultaneously. This vents the heat soak from the cabin instantly. In some cars, you have to activate this in the comfort settings on your infotainment screen first. If the fob doesn't work, try putting the physical key in the door, turning it to unlock, and holding it there. It's built-in climate control that costs $0. Secret number 6, conversation mirrors. This is the parental surveillance tool. In many minivans and SUVs, the sunglass holder has a secret second position. If you click it halfway, it reveals a wide-angle convex mirror. This allows you to see every single passenger in the back without adjusting your primary rearview mirror or taking your eyes off the road. It's a massive safety feature that prevents distracted driving accidents. If you haven't checked your overhead console lately, go do it. You might have eyes in the back of your head and not even know it. Secret number 5, fuel gauge arrows. It is the ultimate rental car struggle. Which side is the gas tank on? Stop leaning out the window. Look at your dashboard's fuel icon. There is a tiny triangular arrow next to the pump symbol. If it points left, your filler neck is on the driver's side. If it's on the right, it's the passenger side. This has been an industry standard for decades, yet I still see people performing 5-point U-turns at Costco gas stations. Save your pride and just look at the dash. Secret number 4, easy fill tire alert. Nissan really led the charge here, but many brands now have haptic feedback for tire pressure. Instead of fumbling with a cheap, inaccurate plastic gauge in the dark, you just start filling. The car monitors the TPMS sensors in real time. When you hit the factory recommended PSI, the horn honks once. If you overfill it, the hazard lights flash. This ensures your contact patch is perfect, which improves your fuel economy by up to 3% and prevents cupping on your tires, which can save you from buying an $800 set of rubber a year early. Secret number 3, remote start functions. You might have remote start and not even know it because there isn't a start button on the fob. Many manufacturers hide this feature behind a key combo. Try this. Press lock, lock, and then hold lock for 3 seconds. Or on some European models, it's a triple click of the lock button. This allows the oil to reach operating temperature and lubricate the top end of your engine before you put it under load. Cold starts are where 90% of engine wear occurs. Letting the car wake up for 60 seconds while you're walking out the door is the best thing you can do for long-term reliability. Secret number 2, drowsiness detection systems. If a coffee cup icon appears on your dash, your car isn't being polite, it's analyzed your steering inputs. These systems, like Subaru's EyeSight or Mercedes' Attention Assist, look for micro corrections. When you're tired, your steering becomes jerky rather than smooth. The car detects this pattern and warns you before you drift into another lane. Drowsy driving is just as dangerous as drunk driving. If that light comes on, do not power through. Pull over. That little icon is trying to keep you out of a total loss accident. Secret number 1, night vision capabilities. Luxury territory, BMW, Audi, Mercedes, but trickling down.
Infrared or thermal cameras see 600 to 1,000 feet in total dark. Animals, pedestrians pop as heat signatures through fog or rain. Military-derived tech spot deer before headlights reach them. Aftermarket kits getting cheaper. Future standard? Probably. That's the 15. Which one blew your mind most, or which does your car have that surprised you? Drop it below, smash subscribe for more real deal tips that actually save money and headaches. Drive smart out there. See you next time.